Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question states what happens when water is dropped on aluminium carbide. Let's understand this question with a basic key concept. So they are asking for the reaction कि अगर aluminium carbide में water droplet डाली जाए तो what will be the reaction. So for that we need to understand कि aluminium carbide है क्या. So aluminium carbide, the formula is Al4C3. It is basically an association aluminium और carbon का, and that is Al4C3. अब यहाँ पे बोला है water is dropped, right? So water is dropped means यहाँ पे hydrolysis हुई है. So this reaction it is known as hydrolysis, and it is basically a reaction जहाँ पे substance और H2O के बीच में reactions होते हैं और it will lead to the breakdown of some substance और उसकी वजह से breakdown की वजह से some another or new compound is formed. So hydrolysis is a reaction that is between a substance and water जिससे क्या होता है it led to the breakdown and formation of another product. So कोई और product बनता है and दोनों का breakdown हो जाता है. So a formation of new compound will take place. So यहाँ पे hydrolysis हो रहा है. So let's talk about कि जब water को हमने add किया. So when water is added, as hydrolysis initiate होगा, so both the hydrogen, that is the H2O molecule and the reactant molecule. So both the H2O molecule and reactant molecule, they will undergo splitation. That is, they will undergo and they will split. जैसे वो split करते हैं, it led to the formation of methane gas basically, and aluminium oxide. Now let's understand कि क्या reaction होगा. So let's know the reaction. हमें ये पता होना चाहिए that it is basically used in labs also for methane gas preparation भी होती है and बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ज़्यादा yield मिलती है इस reaction में. So it is methane gas preparation in laboratory technique भी है ये. So the overall reaction is as हमने देखा कि जब aluminium carbide में water डाल रहे हैं, so 12 moles of H2O will required for 1 mole of aluminium carbide. It will undergo hydrolysis, ये decompose होगा and it will decompose to form 4 moles of aluminium hydroxide and 3 moles of methane gas. So यहाँ पे aluminium hydroxide की हमको white PPT मिलेगी and methane gas will be evolved. And यहाँ पे Al4C3 का ये पता होना चाहिए that it is pale yellow in color या brown crystals भी होते हैं. So pale yellow to brown crystals होंगे of aluminium carbide and this occurs at the room temperature. So decomposition होगी aluminium carbide की to form aluminium hydroxide and CH4 is evolved. We need to understand कि aluminium carbide, so Al4C3 ये similar reaction देती है with another proton क्योंकि यहाँ से ये proton extract कर रही है, right? H2O से उसको प्रोटॉन मिल रहा है, बट अगर उसको H2O से प्रोटॉन जैसे मिल रहा है, H+ मिल रहा है, अगर वो किसी और सोर्स से मिले वो तभी भी सिमिलर रिएक्शन देती है with any proton which is obtained. So if we talk about कि HCl, right? So Al4C3 when reacted with 12 moles of HCl, so यहाँ से H+ मिल गया उसे, H+ मिल गया, so it will form AlCl3, 4 moles and 3 moles of CH4. यहाँ पे भी methane gas is evolved. And this can also be a preparation for methane gas in laboratory. So these are Al4,3. You need to understand more thing that ये एक salt like carbide भी होता है, which is pale yellow to brown color as noticed. So what will happen when water is dropped on aluminium carbide? methane gas is evolved. So the final answer is that methane gas is evolved. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.